Hi everyone, it's Tara with Secretbees Studio, and I'm here today to give you a short walkthrough of this adorable travel folio that I made using the brand new Simple Stories Simple Vintage Traveler paper collection. This isn't a tutorial, but I am thinking about making one, so make sure you check back often. This folio, which measures 5 by 7 3/4 inches when closed, has lots of spaces for photos, journaling moments, and memorabilia, and there are a few hidden pockets, like this one on the first flap. It opens up to a nice big pocket, and this holds a tag with a little photo flip, and there is even some space on the back for more journaling or photos. Then in the next section, I created a couple of photo flips, but you could also use these for journaling as well. They're pretty simple with just a little bit of embellishment around the corners. On the cover of this flap, I used some of the gorgeous world map paper that comes with the collection, and I made it into a big pocket, which holds this pull-out with a couple of photo flaps and then more journaling spaces or photo spaces on the back. The middle part of this folio opens up, and on the right-hand flap, you can see some of the gorgeous paper peeking out. And then I just used a piece from the bits and pieces and adhered it to the corner to hold some photos and tags. On the left-hand flap, you can see one of the gorgeous frames, which is part of the layered frames part of the collection. And in the center, I just added some pocket pages that I cut down to size to fit inside this folio. Up top is another little secret pocket that holds a small tag that you can use for photo or journaling. Then you can fold the center section back up and flip it to the back section of the book. And on the left flap shows another beautiful frame ready for a great picture of your trip. The center section is a pocket that holds a traveler's notebook that I made from just using the patterned paper and some notebook paper. And that's it. That is my travel folio, which is full of spaces for journaling and photos. I hope this inspires you to create your own travel folio. Thanks for watching. Bye.